This is the first for the knack. We're going to try a Marco Polo game.
You guys ready? Okay. Marco!
If you're not familiar with this game type, one guy's blindfolded, can't see, gets a spring pistol, usually 2 BBs per person, and then he will yell out Marco. Everybody else has to yell Polo, and they can't move when they yell Polo. And then you just keep going.
Polo!
Damn it. Marco! Marco! I'm going down the hill.
Polo!
You want to try and play this in a confined area, so we're playing on our infamous sand mound. We may need to make it a little smaller. I'm not sure. It takes me a while to get kills, but then once I do, then I get quite a few.
Marco!
Polo!
Hit!
Okay, Graydon gave me one there.
Right. Marco! Now, is everybody saying Polo?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're not cheating yet.
That's about right. Mike's nuts right there.
He doesn't have nuts. Polo! Oh. Polo!
Marco! Marco! Is somebody moving?
You!
Marco!
That's Rocco.
Finally, Spike goes down. Now I start getting a couple kills.
Marco! 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 Marco!
Polo! Polo! Polo!
Marco!
Polo! Oh.
Marco! Marco! That's not far away. Marco! Marco! That's it.
I'm looking forward to doing this one again. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe.